How to block shows on Disney Plus. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can block shows on Disney Plus. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to disneyplus.com. Make sure to log into your account. For that, click on the login option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on this, enter your credentials like email address and password and click on the login option. After you have been logged into your account, on the home screen, you want to navigate to your profile. Then click on the Edit Profile option. Now you want to click on the pencil icon for your profile, and over here on your profile, scroll down and get to the Parental Controls option. Here you have a setting called Content Rating. Click on the Content Ratings option and then choose the content rating you would like to set. You have the option of General Audience. You also have 7 plus, 13 plus and 18 plus. So go ahead and select your preferred content rating. If you select 18 plus, you will be able to view shows which are rated for 18 plus audience. Now, if you want to block shows which are above 18, you can simply click on the 7 plus option and then click on the save option. Now the shows which are rated 18 plus will be blocked on your profile. Next thing you can do is simply click on the junior mode on your profile and it will automatically filter content based on the appropriate age ratings. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.